Let's just see, get a feel for what's out here. Whoa, this is beautiful. Nice. Where smoker tire does it at. And what's up, guys? So we are inside of the Hyundai Veloster N today. I'm right outside the Angeles Crest Highway. I just filmed another video. Just filled up 91 octane fuel, full tank of gas. About to jump right into the actual highway run. So I figured this would be a good. Wow, there's a really nice Porsche over there. Yeah, you guys are gonna see all of this stuff. So I figured this would be a good time for me to show you guys exactly like what I do. So I used to stop, get some gas first, make sure I'm fully on gas. My first time I came out here in the Focus RS, I ran low on gas coming out and that made me a little bit nervous. So make sure you don't do that. So we're gonna jump right into things. I'm gonna show you guys my run into it. I think I'm gonna give you guys a little bit more talking during this run just because I wanna talk you guys through a little bit of what I'm doing. So today, my goal is my first time taking the Veloster in out on the highway or on, you know, on the back mountain roads. I want to just work on just the fundamentals today. I'm not going to push it too hard. This is Angelia's car, so I'm not going to push it too hard. I just want to get a little bit of a feel for what this car can do. I'm really excited because this actually has nice summer performance tires on it. I want to feel how nimble and how this car feels. Now this car is a front wheel drive car versus my car, which is all wheel drive. So I have to be a little bit more careful with some of the understeer going through corners. I just want to feel how the car feels. Push it slightly, not go too crazy. Just get some more seat time underneath my belt. This time I'm going to be looking at my exit speed coming out of corners and looking at my braking zone when I'm coming into actual corners. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. And just the fundamentals, also just trying to get a feel for some of the roads that are still out there. I'm not I think we're pretty much starting up now here, even though there still is like, this is still kind of the entrance, at least to my understanding. Let's just see, get a feel for what's out here. This is just absolutely beautiful though, but yeah, I know, but for sure though, if you're out here past like 8, it's like just swamped. I'm gonna push it a little bit more when we get a little bit further up. Let's see what this car's doing. Yeah, I'm gonna pull off for a second, get myself a little bit more space. Wow, that's a big dead deer. Yeah, I'm gonna pull off for a slight second, give myself a little bit of space. And let's go. Immediately I can feel there's a ton more front end grip than inside of my Focus. These tires feel great. I mean, this isn't warmed up at all, but just immediately these feel way stickier, way much more responsive. The turn in is definitely a lot better. That's a nice BMW. I mean, my thing is though, slightly you miss some of the power when you're inside of quick straightaways, you miss some of the power, but still though, it's not like this road isn't way open that you're gonna, you know, be missing out a ton of it. Still being careful because cyclists want to make sure, and I caught this guy again, want to make sure that there's no cyclists or anything in the road. Maybe I'll get a let by, we'll see. All right, nice sweeper. Feels really planted. Nice downshift and see what it does. Not too bad, not too bad, not too much understeer at all. Pretty controllable. I'm impressed with how nice this feels. I really got to get my focus set up a little bit better. The way it's set up right now, it feels, don't get me wrong, it's a great car. I absolutely love it. Still is my dream car. It feels a tad bit sloppy, if I have to be honest. Especially like right now, my clutch is kind of messed up. And it definitely took a beating on the way out here to California. My clutch is kind of messed up. I need to work on getting better wheels and tires. Those tires that are on there are absolute trash. So that will help out a lot. But yeah, I gotta get my thing set up a little bit better. This is actually like really nice. I'm surprised that, you know, it feels this nice. And I really don't like front wheel drive cars that much, but this feels really nice. Going through. Brakes feel really nice. See, that's the one thing. The brakes in here inside the city can be a little bit touchy, but when you're like out, like actually like, you know, pushing it a little bit, these brakes feel really good and really responsive. Getting on the brakes slightly, rolling on the throttle, feeling. Yo, my man has a Camry out here, kind of bobbing. Don't know. Oh, thank you. Thanks. Really impressed. I'm just really impressed with this car right now, and I know I shouldn't be this impressed because I've definitely driven this car, like, you know, semi-hard before. It's just, you know, back in New York, Buffalo, New York, there's not that many roads that are anything, like nothing compares to this. Like this is like, whoa, this car, I definitely feel a lot faster in this than inside my own car, and that's kind of sad, but it's definitely the truth. Just looking at the turns, feeling the turning, look at that front end grip. Look at that grip right there. So this is probably from like me, like a 6/10 drive. I can't go any harder, otherwise I wouldn't be able to like talk. But I figured it'd be nice to have some commentary. That was a bad shift on me. Wow, just going. Don't even need the shift. Stay in third, and completely doing it. Slightly letting off, rolling on the throttle, looking at the turns, exit speed. rotates very nice, very nice. Man, I'm like really liking this car now. And we just hit a ton of sun. Great. Great. Do have my sunglasses, so putting those on. There's a whole bunch of other guys. Okay, good. I'll just turn around inside this parking lot. Going downhill now. Don't need to use much of the power. Let's work on the brakes and controlling the speed. Sorry, that's just my stuff in the back. A little bit gravel on the road. My braking zone there was pretty bad, but that's why we're practicing. See, my issue, which I know I need to work on, is choosing the right gear before you get into the actual turn. It makes yourself slower when you're like shifting. You shouldn't be shifting literally mid-corner, but it's really like just commit to the gear and just like stay with it, even if it's not the most optimal gear like for your speed. I don't know what's down here. Just wow, are you effing kidding with me? Man, it's so beautiful out here. Staying in third, keeping RPMs above 4,000. Oh, it likes it. Oh, it likes it. Okay. See right there, I should have shifted before. Whoa, this is beautiful. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I've only gone flat really like once. And we're gonna get on the brakes hard. I don't really know what's around this corner. I couldn't really see, so I wanted to make sure I could, just in case there was a cyclist or anything. I had to get on the brakes hard. Just, wow. This is insane. This is literally insane. Still not even talking to me yet. See right? I mean, the auto rev match is nice because I can just downshift no rev match for me. Just right there. Let me make sure there's no cyclists on this corner. Can't see. We're good. Whoa! I don't even know where to. I don't know. Big Tahunga cyclist road. Let's go straight. I don't really know. At least so I can know how to get back out of here. Tunnel. Oh, this is where Smoking Tire does it at. And all the way flat through it. Wow, people really do post it. So part of this land is posted down there. Interesting. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna be doing a ton more videos, ton more runs inside the Focus, ton more runs inside the Veloster. When I get my Focus fully set up, I can't wait. But the whole goal is to go do much more track days and like really enjoy the car and just have some fun with it. But we're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as YouTube channel. Go to the website, geekswithcars.com. We have some merch there if you want to check that out. And yeah, guys, we will see you guys in the next video. See ya.